What's up guys, welcome back to another video. And I think on the last video, it was my first video, and I was just like telling you that on the next video I was going to do a Moshi monster pack thing, and this was pretty decent, and we're just going to dig into this. And yeah guys, we are back. And so first we're gonna, oh yeah, I forgot to tell you that we had cards too. So let's dig these up, see what we have. I think there's some good ones. So yeah, we've got a pack of cards, and then we've got like a pack of Moshi monsters, and yeah, that's all the cards. So we can open the Moshi monsters next. Just leave it like this. And let's dig into this. So we have General Fusky, who's he's a bit bad, but he's got it will do, and he's got 49 no chance stance, and then we've got one back combat whap. So I suggest don't beat that character, but we had a good defense person here. So this is Tymo, whatever his name is, and he's got defending the dump, who's 63, and that's pretty decent. And then we've got Bliss Kiss Dismiss, and it's a bit bad on that one, but never mind. Just got that out of the way. And then we've got Woll. This is a good one. We've got Woll Up, who's 85 BB Bam Jam, and we've got 49 Thunder and Thump. So this, I suggest you could have this one because it's awesome. And then we got this other awesome one, and I think this is new updates. I think it's got so this is Hubs. He's got Rollball Crawl 47, and we've got Silly Servo Smash 69, and then we got the Almighty Kissy, and we got 56 Spooky Snackaroo. We've got Baby Ghost Dust, who's 46, and then 56 for the other one. And then yeah, that's the other pack of the cards. And now we've got these. So the first one is, okay, just tip it out first. Okay. Okay. So we've got 20 in here, haven't we? 20 in here. It's good. Looks like I've got some gold. That's good. So these are the cards. And actually, I'll just do that soon. And then we've got, guys, that was just a quick break. And so I sorted them out into ultra rares, commons, and the golds. And so we're gonna be looking at the ultra rares first. I'm so happy that I got the ultra rares. So basically, first we got this panda guy. And he looks quite sick. He's she's got pink eyes. She's a polar bear, a panda actually, and she looks pretty sick. Just a quick replay of that. There she is. Pretty simple. And put look here. So next we've got this flying guy. Oh no. Next we've got this flying guy, who's like has like this propeller, like a helicopter, and this is the other one. Okay, and then we've got Odie. Is Odie? This guy. Yes, Odie. And then we've got Iggy, who is in a different colour and he's ultra rare. Pretty sick. And then we've got like all the commons here. Let's take all the commons. And then, so, I don't know his name, but here he is. You should know him if you're really good at Moshi monsters. We've got this cactus. We've got this spike guy. We've got this guy who's swimming. We've got this guy who's like an octopus thing. Got this I don't know, I think he's a cat or something. It is. Got this gingerbread man. Must be, I don't know, I think he's a pen book thing. Something. Got this, oh, we got this. Jeepers, and we've got Snoodle. He's listening. We've got Starfish. And we've got pause. I'll see you on the next video. Yeah, wait a sec. Ready? Yeah, guys. That was just a quick break, and we have this lovely queen thing.